Most people get this wrong when resetting their Nest thermostat, and they either reset the wrong setting or get stuck halfway through the process. Here's the truth no one tells you. A factory reset is simple, but only if you know the exact steps for your model and do it in the right order. In this video you'll learn how to reset a Google Nest thermostat to factory settings in 2026, step by step. And by the end, you'll be able to fix glitches, remove old settings, or prepare your device for resale without confusion. Let's get straight into it. First, understand why you might need a factory reset. Maybe your thermostat is not responding. Maybe it is connected to the wrong Wi-Fi. Or maybe you are moving and want to remove all your personal data. A reset clears everything and brings it back to original settings. Now here's where most people make a mistake. They restart the device instead of doing a full factory reset. A restart only refreshes the system. It does not erase settings. So don't confuse the two. Let's begin the actual reset process. Go to your Nest thermostat and press the ring to open the main menu. This is your control hub. Now rotate the ring until you find Settings and press to select it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inside Settings, scroll until you find Reset. Select it carefully. You will now see multiple options like Restart, Schedule, and Factory Reset. Choose Factory Reset. Now here's the key moment. The device will warn you that all settings, schedules, and Wi-Fi connections will be erased. Confirm your choice. This is important because once you proceed, the data cannot be recovered. Now here's where people often get confused. After confirmation, the device will take a few moments to reset. You may see the screen go blank or restart automatically. This is completely normal. Do not interrupt the process. Once completed, your Google Nest device will behave like it is brand new. It will ask you to set language, Wi-Fi, and temperature preferences again. Now let's talk about a common real-world situation. If Alex just moved into a new apartment and the thermostat is still linked to the previous owner's account, a factory reset is the safest way to fully remove old data and start fresh. But here's the problem many users face. Even after resetting, they forget to remove the device from the Google Home app. This can cause connection issues or setup errors later. So after the reset, always open your Google Home app and make sure the device is removed or ready for resetup. Now here's a retention tip you should not miss. If your thermostat is not responding at all, and you cannot access settings, you can still reset it using a long press on the ring. Hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts. Then, follow the setup process again. Now let's quickly summarize everything. Press the ring, go to Settings, select Reset, choose Factory Reset, confirm, and wait for the reboot. Then set up your device again from scratch. If you follow these steps correctly, you can fix software issues, remove old data, and restore full control of your thermostat without any confusion. Now you know exactly how to reset a Nest thermostat to factory settings in 2026. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who is troubleshooting their smart home device, and subscribe for more simple, clear guides like this.